In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete tab groups on Google Chrome in the fastest and simplest way possible. If you've got a tab group you no longer need and you want to remove the label and close every tab inside it at the same time, this method is exactly what you need. It's quick, clean, and perfect for keeping your browser organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Chrome tips and tutorials. All right, let's get right into it. First, open Google Chrome and look at your tab bar at the top of the window. You should see a colored tab group label, which is the name of the group you created. This label usually appears as a colored pill or section name sitting above a set of group tabs. Once you find the tab group you want to remove, move your mouse over that group label. Now right-click directly on the group label. A drop-down menu will appear with a few different options for managing that tab group. From that menu, click Delete Group. This is the option that completely removes the tab group from Chrome and immediately closes all of the tabs that are inside it. So before you click it, just make sure you really want to close everything in that group, because once it's deleted, those tabs will be gone from the group and closed from view. After you click Delete Group, Chrome will instantly remove the colored group label and close every tab that was part of it. And that's it. Your tab group is now deleted. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up a crowded browser when you no longer need a set of group tabs. If you want more simple Chrome tutorials like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.